No.
Tell us it. Hi, I'm Paula Kinney, your favorite kitchen designer, again on another task. This is session number 2 of our mini-series, Love Your Dorm. I'm here with
Cassidy Kinney.
So we have a few essentials that we think will help with storage in your dorm space. It's a small space, so we have been thinking vertically. So one of the things that we think would be a great idea to have are bed risers. So we don't have an actual example, but we do have a picture, and they will be available on our website. So Cassie, show them what the dorm risers are.
So here's one picture. Hopefully it looks clear enough. And then here's the second picture.
Okay, so what dorm risers do is they give you the ability to add additional storage underneath your dorm bed. So if your typical underneath bed height is maybe 10 or 11 inches, you can add risers and gain another 6 to 8 inches. So with that space, you can store things underneath. So we brought a couple of baskets that you could use. These are smaller. You could definitely go larger. So what you want to do is measure the length you have of your bed and then how much space you have underneath, and buy baskets according to that. So the thing with baskets are, I think they're great. Well, Cassidy said originally she thought drawers would be better. So why do you think drawers are better?
Well, I think drawers are better because, well, if you're like a person who is very like organized, that's probably the best way to go. But then sometimes I'll fold my clothes, but then I'll just toss them in a basket or something.
Right.
So I mean, it's just up to you which kind you want.
Yeah. So I think
But I sort of prefer the basket.
You prefer the baskets?
Yeah, because I'm probably not going to be folding.
I mean, the reality is you have to keep it 100. Now, you can, as a mom, I would love for her to have drawers and have everything neatly folded underneath the bed, but the reality is that's probably not going to happen. So I say for her, we're doing baskets, and then you could put things in there that don't necessarily have to be folded so neatly. Like what do you think is a good idea to store in baskets?
I think socks are good.
Socks is good. Mm-hmm.
And then like maybe workout gear.
Workout gear, something you don't have to fold. Maybe PJs or things that you sleep in, something that you're not gonna. Because the other thing too is they do have extra long bed skirts, so that'll hide everything. Cassie, show them what the bed skirts look like, and we will have those on our website.
So it just covers the bed risers. So that's the first one, and then here's the second.
Covers whatever's underneath.
So you can like pick whatever pattern or color you want that goes with your scheme.
Right. So there's lots of colors, lots of prints that are available. Probably solids would be best. Then you could do a printed comforter. Yeah. You won't have to change it, or something like that. So I think baskets are an option. I know in your dorms, Cassie, the dressers actually come apart, and you can put those underneath. But again, the reality is you probably won't be folding your items, so we're probably going to stick with baskets. Again, there's lots of sizes available. We'll have some of those on our website, and we also will have the extra long bed skirts. So I think that's one of the best things to do is to raise your bed. And generally they come in packs of 8, so if you and your roommate, you can split them and talk about how you want to decorate the skirt and that kind of thing, and what you want to put underneath. So that's one thing. So again, thinking vertically, this thing I absolutely love. It's a 2-tiered Lazy Susan, and this would be great for what? What do you think that's great for?
Well, if I do have one, I'd probably use it for like hair products or keep my lotion and deodorant on there. Mm-hmm. Sort of. I think that's like really it. Like maybe like nail polish and stuff.
Yeah, any of your hair products, any of your toiletries, the stacks. Because generally speaking, you don't have a lot of dresser space, so you definitely want to think again vertically. I remember at Kent, we only had the dresser. The total dresser was this.
Can't
wide.
Relate.
Anyway, the dresser was this wide. We had this much dresser space, like maybe 18 inches. So it just depends on what your dorm situation is like. I know you all have your own single dressers, probably about 24 inches wide, 30 inches wide. So but even so, you're used to being at home, having your perfume bottles set out nicely and different things. So now all that needs to be condensed and needs to be stacked. So you have to be thinking about how you're going to store those things and what's the best way to do that. So that is one of my favorites on our website. However, we have one, and it's clear, so it's a little more attractive than that one, but you get the idea. 2-tiered, circular, spins around, you can get everything. So that is one of my favorite things, and that will definitely be in your dorm bathroom because you all have an actual counter space. So another favorite is
the door rack. I'd probably use this for like in my bathroom or in my like my own room. Mm-hmm. Like I'd probably put like towels or like hoodies or something. It just depends. If I have multiple, then I'll use one for like hoodies, and then towels that would be in the bathroom. Mm-hmm. And yeah.
So I mean I think as many doors as you should have an over the door hook. So like the main door, like Cassie's dorm is, again, it's a little different. So it's a common area. So if you had this on the back of the door, like your guests when they came over, or even when you guys came in, you can hang your coats on. Mm-hmm. You have one in the bathroom, then you could hang your bathrobe, towels, that kind of thing on there. And then your actual room could be like your own personal hoodies, things that your jackets, lightweight jackets, that kind of thing. So over the door hook is a must, I think. It's definitely going to utilize that door space that normally would be unused, and it doesn't damage anything. Hangs on the door, comes off, done, right? Mm-hmm. One of our other favorite things is this. What is this?
So it's just like a hanger that has multiple like hooks, so you can put like camis. I have mine, and I use mine for camis or like tank tops or bodysuits. Mm-hmm. So I mean, it's very like organized. Yeah. It doesn't get tangled. Like when you have one hanger, everything gets tangled on it, and it's very frustrating. Yeah. So I'll just use that.
Yeah. So this is great. So it holds probably total. Each one probably holds 10 camis. Actually, you can hook them on the front and the back. You can get 20 out. And camis, tanks are a staple. These hang right in the closet, easy. So I definitely think these are a must-have. We use them now at our home, so we love them for that reason. Lastly, show them the other thing I think that's great in the closet is, and we forgot to bring it because we wanted to be outside, is a shoe hanger, a vertical shoe hanger that you can hang in your closet. Looks like that.
Yeah, it has
not
like
anything, ultra new and exciting, but definitely I think it's a must-have, especially for like flip-flops, right? Yeah. What do you think? Little lightweight tennis shoes, things you can just put in because I think the reality is if you're going to put your shoes on the floor, what's going to happen of your closet? It's going to be a mess. Like, where are my shoes? So when you come in, right? Have you ever done that?
No.
Oh, you're not familiar with that? Okay. Anyway, so so you can put flip-flops in, little lightweight tennis shoes. I mean, the reality is you're not going to be wearing very many shoes. So, I mean, at least if they're in your closet and they're stored neatly and visible. Again, I think that floor space is pretty crucial, and you can put something else on the floor that you versus your shoes. Lastly, I love this. Cassidy has her own opinion about it. It's a scarf hanger. I have one now. I use it, and she seems to think that. What's your feeling about it?
Well, I don't like wear scarves. I don't think anyone does.
You don't think anyone? No, like the I don't know about that.
So like a lot of I only wear scarves in the wintertime, and mine are like sort of thick. So the only problem would be like it'd probably take up this space. So it'd be like just tight to like.
So there are some that are larger. So they have some with larger circles. So then that will work, right? Because then they can hang in the closet. So we'll have this one, and then we have one that has larger circles. So that's a good point in the winter. Yours are thicker, so that would be better suited for that. But you could also put belts on here. So it might be good for guys too. Unfortunately, we don't have a lot of things that a lot of these things are unisex, but not necessarily. We don't know. But I think that's it for a few things that we think will help you with storage and organizing in your dorm space. And anything else you want to add? Nope, that's it. So that's it for us today. Next week, we will have 2 roommates on a call, and we're going to do some virtual consulting. Yeah, so it's actually one of Cassidy's best friends and her roommate. And they have some design challenges, and because their room is together, then they want to kind of coordinate the colors, and there's a lot of things that you need to consider so that parents aren't buying two of one thing. So we're going to talk to them. You get to see what we come up for them with for them. We're going to do a mood board for them and hopefully make them very happy and excited about their new dorm space. So that's it for us today. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.